So I met Mindy Jones through my accountant, and my father had been released from the hospital after some pretty major surgery and a prolonged stay, and he was referred to a facility, was actually admitted to a facility that we didn't know that much about other than the fact that it was local. And he spent an extended amount of time there. And after a few weeks, it became apparent that this was not going to be a good situation. He wasn't happy. We were not happy. And quite frankly, they were growing unhappy with him as a patient and his demands. But it's your father. So what are you going to do? So we contacted Mindy. Within 48 hours, not only did she have a nurse case practitioner evaluate my father, had him move to another facility that was much more appropriate, that we really, really enjoyed. And that's where he ended up spending the last months of his life. And we just couldn't have been more pleased with how the whole process went, from his evaluation to the choices that we were given. Fast forward a couple of years, we had to call Mindy again because of my mother's failing health and dementia. And once again, Mindy and her team sprung into action, evaluated my mother, and then referred her to a facility that was appropriate, where she ended up spending the last year of her life. So, you know, when you're coming into decisions about your parents, and it's tough, without reservation, we recommend PyxisCare Management and Mindy Jones and her team for their competency, their care, and most of all, their compassion. So I can promise you that it will be a good decision to call PyxisCare Management.